Would you prefer to be motivated or to be inspired?
Both. No, I want to be inspired.
You want to be inspired?
Where I was able to learn from other people during the discussions, that was really, really, really important for me. And I would recommend this training any other day. And I'd also love to attend more trainings. I'm contacted by Mr. Kamatuka.
Hi, my name is Natisha. I am the brand ambassador for Elsa Holdings. We attended the workshop Enhancing Skills of Training Coordinators. I enjoyed the workshop very much because it brought the necessity of the times we're living in, how change is necessary, especially with organizational structures when it comes to e-learning and having to go with the times, because unfortunately the pandemic has forced us into a different way of life, and we have to adapt. And it has taught me that we as trainers, and also even in the sales environment, we have to be vigilant to when it comes to the learning process. People don't take in information all the same. It's visual, audio, so we also have to be adaptable. And the ever-changing environment, we don't know what's going to happen next year, especially with the economy as well. So in the business, change is always necessary, and adaptability. And I think in future I will definitely come again, attend another course, because it's helped personal growth within me. And it also showed me that what stands out in the success of a company, not just the leader, but also the different training programs that is provided within the company, and how it gives stability to the employees. So I will definitely attend once again.
Elsa?
We basically have a goal, and the goal is to make a certain percentage of sales a month. And by the strategy is basically to increase sales, and it's like the training is part of a strategy to lock people into getting the sale done.
We say also for a better life in Namibia, and that also we don't just cater for higher income people, we take care of the lower income people as well. That's where the refill and everything comes in, as I explained yesterday. So we want to cater for all Namibians, not just the higher income.
Okay. What? Yes. What is the business strategy of work?
My name is Festus Morgenborg, but I prefer to be called Morgan. I'm an office admin for National. I've been there for like the last 9 months. The part of this interview that I really found interesting was just learning and, networking and meeting new people. I thought some time back that my journalism skills were not really in place, but then coming here just renewed my senses of saying that, look, what you were taught in school, you can still use it. And this type of trainings really just revives that. And I would recommend this any given time.
My name is Neshi Matongela. I'm from the NPC. I am a booking officer, administrator. So this program of Enhancing Skills of Training Coordinator and Administrator workshop, it was a 2-day workshop. So I learned a lot here. Basically what I picked up is the the skills and the attribute of training coordinator and administrator, and as well as how to be a better coordinator. So basically my problem was at first how to coordinate efficiently. So I have picked up some points here in the training, how to be better, and I would love to in the future to come back to similar trainings. What stood out for me actually is that we discussed more on e-learning, and the way forward and the new normal, how we're gonna be better coordinators when we go back to the office, and how to implement listening to our staff back at work. And the other thing, the trainer was very good because he did engage. He was not only talking, but he also engaged the whole class so that we can also give our views and learn from each other. And because we were learning mostly from each other, we were learning more, and then he could give us some points to add to what we have learned.
This type of trainings really just revives that, and I would recommend this any given time.
I wish to probably attend more of his training programs.
I will definitely attend once again.
I would recommend this training any other day. And I'd also love to attend more trainings. I'm contacted by Mr. Kamatuka. Thank you.